Hello, welcome back to our channel HardReset.Info. In this video, let's discuss the top fixes when your Apple Pay is declined. So if you have this message on your screen that transaction is declined, first of all, you have to check your internet connection and restart your device. Because poor connection or some software glitch can cause this issue. So try restarting your iPhone to refresh the system a little bit. The next thing that you can do is updating your iOS. Let's go to settings and you want to go to section general. Let's open software update and here ensure that your iPhone is on the latest version of iOS, and if not, if there are any available updates, you have to install that update and basically update your iOS. Okay, so next you can verify your card details. To do that, you have to go to Wallet application on your iPhone and check that your card is still there in your Apple Wallet and that your card is correctly set up. And if you tap on your card that you want to use, you can see here pending verification message. If there is such message, you have to follow these steps on your screen to complete verification process. Additionally, transactions could be declined if there is not enough money on your bank account. So check that as well. And you can try removing and re-adding the card to your Apple Wallet. If you tried the steps above, you can try removing your card. To do that, you want to tap on your card. Now let's tap on this information. Let's press remove card button, and then you want to confirm that you really want to remove your card from your Apple Wallet. And now to re-add your card, once again you want to tap on this plus icon at the top section of your screen. Now let's go to debit or credit card, tap continue button. And now you can, if you have your physical card with you, you can place your iPhone on the back of your card. Or if you don't have your card, physical card, you can enter card details manually. So here proceed with all the steps in order to add card to your Apple Wallet. And now I think that after completing all those steps, your Apple Pay is now fixed. And I really hope that this video helps you, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.